Next on the CFC Servant and Light podcast.
Dahil nga na-mention niyo na kayo ay servants and handmaids, hindi po ba mahirap na magkahiwalay kayo ng service as a couple?
You know, God really just arranged things. Nag-increase ako sa Kanya, binawasan niya yung mga expenses ko sa iba. So I did not feel the hardship of, making a sacrifice, if I call it to make a sacrifice, that I followed Him.
Minsan kasi parang dahil ikaw yung lalaki, hindi ba naging mahirap po sa inyo yun na, susuportahan ko na lang yung asawa ko? Kasi nga, nasabi rin po na you are the prayer warrior most of the time or more often than not. Hindi ba naging mahirap sa inyo yun na isuko yun, yung part na yun?
Everything what we have is from God. So, just give. Sometimes it becomes painful, but sige, God will provide later on. Ganun na lang. And it works. I feel better that way.
Attitude.